Evolvio App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how personal development apps have evolved in 2025. Evolvio offers a mix of goal tracking, habit building, and wellness coaching, but is it worth your time? The surprising truth is customization. Most people get this wrong by assuming personal development apps are one size fits all. Evolvio allows you to set personalized goals across fitness, mental health, productivity, and learning. Daily prompts and guided routines help you stay on track without feeling overwhelmed. Another advantage is insight. You won't believe what happens next when you see progress reports and analytics showing trends, streaks, and areas needing improvement. Integrations with wearable devices help you track steps, sleep, and activity levels, offering a holistic picture of your habits. However, there are cons. Some advanced features require a paid subscription, and notifications can become overwhelming if not managed. Additionally, while the app provides guidance, it cannot replace professional advice for serious health or mental wellness concerns. In conclusion, Evolvio app in 2025 is an excellent tool for those looking to track and improve their daily habits and personal growth. While subscriptions and notifications are considerations, the combination of customization, analytics, and holistic habit tracking makes it a valuable addition to your self-improvement toolkit.